Hey guys, Chico here. So let's do a recap for the month of September. Overall, we did really well up until the last week. We had one bad trade that was a really painful one, and it was Robinhood. Robinhood popped on Monday, and I thought that was like limited upside. And so, I'm a big fan of Robinhood stock, and I feel like it's got more upward movement, and it's going to keep marching up. But on the call option trading, it kept going up really quickly, and took us out for being a profitable month. So with that said, we can go talk about that on the spreadsheet. But overall, the market is a very strong bull market. It continues to trend upwards, and it doesn't really care about even things like government shutdowns, at least not so far. So let's look at the spreadsheet and take a look at the numbers.
Okay, this is what the spreadsheet looks like for the month of September. In the first week, it was a short week as Monday was Labor Day, and it was kind of a cold start, so we were down 403 trading various stocks from Palantir, Salesforce, Broadcom, and Carvana. The next week, we were able to redeem ourselves despite one trade in the small loss on that one, which was with Palantir. GameStop, we made really good on that one. I think it was due to their earnings release, and it stayed out of the money, so 625 for that week. Then third week, again, we kind of had more of a break-even week due to the end of the week trade with Carvana. One contract, it just kind of popped a little bit, so that week we just only kind of almost break even. We're up 23 technically, but that ain't too much relatively. Then the fourth week, we were profitable. We finally, starting to feel the rhythm and went 5 for 5, and we're able to bank $687. So we were looking good. And then the last week had a few days of October, but I decided to lump it into September. And as you can see, we were doing well with Robinhood, Nike, Intel, and then at the end, not at the end, but Robinhood, it was just like too hot of a stock. It's great for owning it, which we do in our buying and selling series, but for this cover call that we did here, just the money on the premium, we made money off that, of course, because we let it go into expiration, but the contract would go into the money, and we would be assigned it, and that would put us in a loss, and overall the whole week we're down almost $2,000. So if you look at this sheet here, in the month of September, we were 13 of 18 successful profitable trades. And then our profit was overall minus $1,000 and $59. So that puts us at negative 2.65%. Overall, in this video series, selling call options, over all these months since September, we're up $4,809 and change.
Okay, so that's it for this month. And then moving into the month of October, we're gonna up our demo to reset to 50K instead of 40K. We've been doing 40K throughout these months since February, but we're gonna do 50K because some of the stocks have been climbing, and it's kind of priced out to be able to do a single contract on some of these stocks that are above $400. Tesla is one example, amongst others too. And some others are getting close to making that mark. So we'll do 50K from here on, and for those people who are tuning in, it was 40K. And we don't use any margin, we just do the cover call for the sake of simplicity. It's up to you on your situation, whether you want to do a cover call or you want to do a naked call. Naked call, you don't have to worry about the downside because you don't actually own the share, but it's riskier because if it goes up, then you got to go out on the market and purchase those shares to fulfill the obligations on the contract. All right, we'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like if you do.